2023 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler. The Freewheeler Cruiser-inspired trike still. The Freewheeler Cruiser-inspired trike still has a Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine and electric reverse gear, but it gets a blacked-out restyle for 2023. The front end, headlamp, nacelle, tank console, hand and foot controls, powertrain, and exhaust all have black finishes in place of previous bright finishes. New gloss black cast aluminum wheels feature exposed rear wheel lug nuts, and rear 18-inch wheels replace the previous 15-inchers. Other features of the 2023 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler include trike-specific rider safety enhancements, including electronic link braking, ABS, traction control, and drag torque slip control, all of which are cornering enhanced. The trike has a mini-ape handlebar, custom bobtail rear fenders, dual mufflers with slash-down tips, and a weatherproof rear trunk with top-mounted door and 2 cubic feet of capacity. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler starts at $29,999 for Vivid Black. For an extra $750 on MSRP, you can get White Sand Pearl, or add $1,500 for Bright Billiard Blue/Billiard Gray.